Ahoan din way maganag wap canoe nigo. Hello my relatives, my name is Wap Canoe. I'm very happy today to announce that Anishinaabe Mowatawatanig Abanochiyak. Let's Speak Ojibwe to our kids after school Ojibwe Immersion Program will be launching in the new year with the support of the University of Winnipeg. It'll be twice a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays at 6:30 p.m. at the Wichiwaganak Learning Center on Ellis. Now, if you would like to sign up, please contact me by sending an email to wabdamus@gmail.com or by calling me. The idea behind Anishinaabe Mowatawatanig Abanochiyak is simple. It's to recreate the environment that exists in the homes of fluent speakers, where the language is transmitted from the older generations to the young. So what we're going to do is invite parents to bring their children from birth all the way up to teenagers, possibly even adult children, to come and learn the language together with fluent speakers and elders. How will they do it? Well, by singing songs together, by doing arts and craft activities, and even some physical games, playing, laughing, having fun, and learning the vocabulary and grammar that makes Anishinaabe Moen so unique and interesting. So, tagasana Anishinaabe Mowatawatanig Abanochiyak. Let's speak Ojibwe to our kids. The first class will be January 17th. Ahawan din way maganag.